excuse me. Last question. I don't know, I just saw you. I don't know, seemed like you're really artistic.
Really?
Are you into the art, something like that?
Yeah, I think so.
You are? Or you think so?
I mean, I like to draw and stuff, but I don't do it all the time.
Oh, so you do, right? You do like arts and stuff.
Kinda. I mean, when I have time.
Well, that's cool. I don't know, cause I just saw you and then I say, hold on, I think this girl is like into the art, something like that. So you just caught my attention.
That's a good thing.
And then you had that kind of, what is it called? School style?
Oh, really?
Yeah. You're a freshman?
Well, I just finished my first year, yeah.
Oh, me too. This is like today, like actually summer. After summer, I'm gonna be a sophomore.
Oh, yeah, that's
The same with you?
good. Yeah,
You come here or
I do. I'm not attending summer classes.
you're not taking summer classes? So right now you're just like
Right now, I'm just working.
working here?
Not here, but just working in general.
Oh, okay. 2 seconds, I gotta go because my class starts like in 15 minutes. Here, just to get to know you, like 15 minutes. 2 seconds, I'm about to leave anyways. So you say you draw, right? Just for fun?
Yeah.
Okay, and then
I
you're
really
fresh.
don't have time, okay? What was your name?
Dylan?
Dylan?
Yeah, that's how you guys say hi. Yeah, you should do like, I don't know, a hug or something. And you are?
Ava.
Eva?
I'm Ava.
Like Adam and
No.
Eva?
Not Eva. Ava.
Eva.
Ava.
Eva?
Yes. Ava.
Like that?
Like that.
Okay,
Alright,
anyways,
I'll see you
bye. Oh, last question. Do you have to know Mesa? Mesa? Mesa, the program. Ah, thank you.